Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make some patriotic punch. I ended up using two different types of Gatorades and a drink called Twister. The goal is to use three different drinks that have varying amounts of sugar. So the drink that would be on the bottom, say blue, would have the most amount of sugar per serving. The drink in the middle would be white or clear, and it would have the middle most amount of sugar, and the drink at the top would have the least amount of sugar. Sugar is pretty heavy and dense in drinks, so it ends up doing better if the drink with the most amount of sugar was on the bottom, so it didn't mix as easy. You can also use any other type of drink that you want as long as it has a little bit of sugar in it. You also need a tray of ice and a glass, and you need a measuring cup. I used about a 1/3 cup measuring cup. The blue drink has about 60 grams of sugar per serving. The red drink has 0 grams of sugar because I got a 0 sugar one, so that's why it's a good color to go on top. And the white Gatorade has 21 grams of sugar. You want to slowly pour the first drink in so it doesn't go everywhere, and you want to repeat that step with every single color. You should use the same amount of each color. As you can see, I'm pouring the white drink in very slowly. Even though I go slowly, the white drink doesn't come out as good. It kind of blends in with the blue, but that's okay. It still ends up looking pretty cool at the end. So I gently put the red in, and you can see it kind of spreading down, but it doesn't go all the way to the bottom. It stays on top, and it floats on top of the blue drink. And there you have it. That is my patriotic drink. It looks a little orangey, but it still tasted pretty good.